Ever wondered why garlic is useful for oral health? Today we unravel this mystery. When you think of garlic, the first thing that pops into your mind is probably its pungent flavor, a culinary delight that brings life to a wide array of dishes. But did you know that this humble bulb is more than just a kitchen staple? Yes, garlic, as surprising as it may sound, holds a secret weapon against some common oral health issues. From the dreaded dragon breath to the pesky tooth decay, garlic has been known to combat these problems and more. But the big question is, how? How does something as simple as garlic contribute to better oral health? The answer lies in its unique properties and compounds. So now that we've set the stage, let's delve into the science behind garlic's oral health benefit. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse for oral health. But how does it work? Let's break it down. Garlic's secret weapon is a compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, this compound is released, and it's known for its potent antibacterial properties. These properties are particularly effective against the harmful bacteria that lurk in your mouth, causing issues such as bad breath and cavities. But that's not all. Garlic is also a friend to your gums. Gum disease, which can lead to tooth loss, is caused by inflammation and the buildup of bacteria. Garlic, with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities, can help keep these problems at bay. And let's not forget about tooth decay. It's often caused by acid produced by bacteria in your mouth. But here's where garlic comes in. Its antibacterial action helps reduce these bacteria, thereby lowering your risk of tooth decay. Garlic also plays a role in boosting your immunity. It's packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese, which are integral for a strong immune system. A healthy immune system is essential for maintaining overall oral health, as it helps your body fight off potential infections and diseases. So how can you incorporate garlic into your diet for these oral health benefits? Well, it's pretty simple. You can add it to your soups, stews, and stir-fries, or even eat it raw if you're brave enough. So, garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also keeps your mouth healthy. But remember, nothing replaces good oral hygiene practices. Garlic is indeed a superfood for oral health. Let's quickly recap its benefits. This humble bulbous plant is a powerhouse in combating harmful oral bacteria, helping you maintain a healthy and clean mouth. It also plays a crucial role in boosting your immunity, providing a strong defense against oral diseases. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties further soothe any existing oral discomfort. Truly, garlic is a simple, natural, and effective way to boost your oral health. So, next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a clove or two.